Hi, this is Sahil, and this is a video testimonial for Web Reinvent, especially Pradeep and his team, which includes Roshan, Subrab, and Ravi. I must say that for Zootons.com, which is a website for couponing deals and offers in India, they have done a fabulous job. They have done an amazing job. This is not the first time I'm engaging with them. We had earlier engaged with them for 3.14 Digital, which was my other website. The website is www.3point14.in. In the same, I must say, let's break it down to three aspects, which is one is the design aspect, wherein I think they do very well. The second comes in the the development phase. It was totally according to what I wanted and how I had envisioned it. And then finally the completion of the phase. I believe the support has been one of the biggest crucial factors in making it a success. um, you know uh, what I really like about the whole team was the professionalism and the whole commitment which they bring to the whole project. I was never feeling like I had outsourced this project. I always felt like I had a team sitting just beside me who was working, just based on what the instructions are, and putting their mind to the project as much, and feeling that this project is almost as their own while they were developing it. So if you count on things like professionalism, commitment to the project, and the innovation which they brought to the project, I would say, they would at least get 9 or 10 out of 10. It was simply that amazing. What I would also like to say that Web Reinvent comes across as a very professional development companies who has a very good hold over. They really stand for high quality coding, and apart from developing a very international design. Now, there are very few companies who or project development companies I've worked for which have a very high sense of how design and workflow should be. Interestingly and importantly, Web Reinvent is one of them. So, all in all, for Zootons.com, 3.14 Digital, and there are a couple of more projects which I've given, and I'm sure that they'll complete them with with flying colors. I'm really satisfied with their work, their professionalism, the whole ethics and work commitment. All in all, I would love to work with them again, and wish them all the best in future. I'm sure in the coming time they will come across as one of the topmost developing companies based out of India. Thanks, and congratulations, Pradeep.